Hello, I have a John Deere GX75 that will crank but not start. I have a pretty decent amount of mechanical/electrical knowledge. Have plenty of tools/multimeter, etc. to work with. I am unable to work on it anymore today, so looking for some answers to specific questions. I will write them in greater detail after getting this started.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Single-cylinder Kawasaki engine, remove the spark plug and check for spark with the plug grounded. If you have spark, put teaspoon of fuel in the spark plug hole, reinstall the spark plug and see if it will start for a few seconds. These two tests will tell us what to do next. If no spark, remove the small kill wire to the coil and check again for spark. No spark with kill wire removed, you need new coil. If you do have spark, the kill wire circuit is shorting out the spark. If it is fuel problem, the carburetor needle valve and float need to be checked. Let me know, we can go from here. Thank you.
Tried so far, clean carburetor out, verified fuel delivery. Suspect no spark, but need to test to confirm. Battery fully charged, turns over with no problem. I have also taken apart console where start switch resides and have been taking plugs off and cleaning them, dirty, it is a lawnmower. Worth mentioning, I swapped out the relay located and put one of my own in, no change, cranks but no start. Below the engine and next to the transmission, it appears there was once a switch, I suspect for neutral start, that has been jumpered. Switch is gone. Looking for a couple of answers, how best to test for spark and location of ignition coil and how to verify it is the problem, how to test and or jumper the safety switches to see if that is the problem.
If engine is cranking, safety switches are not problem. Remove the spark plug, ground it to the metal of engine, and crank and watch tip of plug for spark. Full size image. Coil is mounted next to the flywheel, but you can remove the wire, form the #XXXXX, it is the same wire.
Well, somewhat to my surprise, I stuck a screwdriver in the spark plug boot, grounded it and cranked, and got spark. Still no start. A few months ago when I last tried to run the lawnmower, I tried using some starting fluid to see if that might help. It would kick over a few times then die. Thought it was maybe a gummed up carb, so that was the first thing I did yesterday, cleaned out the carb. I was surprised to find that it was not really gummed up. The float moved freely for all I could tell.
Maybe you just need a new spark plug. If you have the spark, put a teaspoon of fuel into the spark plug hole, reinstall the spark plug and see if it starts for a few seconds. If it does, the carburetor will be the problem. The needle valve and float could be stuck, keeping fuel from the engine. With spark and fuel, and it does not fire, check the valves and pushrods. Let me know. Thank you.
You guessed it. Spark plug. Totally fouled, no spark at the plug but definitely at the boot. $1.99 later and we're in business. Lots of carbon buildup. Any closing suggestions on keeping engine running clean? Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.